Okra, a common vegetable in the Middle East, is not just a culinary delight, but a powerhouse of health benefits. The significant benefit of okra is its potential to reduce the risk of cancer. It contains a protein called lectin, which combats the growth of cancer cells, particularly breast cancer. Okra is also a friend to your circulatory system. Being rich in fiber, it helps reduce harmful cholesterol levels, thus lowering the risks of heart disease, strokes, and even obesity. Feeling fatigued? Okra can help. Consumption of okra can boost energy levels and reduce the feeling of fatigue. Okra promotes digestive health, too. Its dietary fiber fights constipation and improves digestion. It even helps reduce the chances of colon and anal cancers. Okra is a powerful ally against osteoporosis. Rich in vitamin K, it improves calcium absorption, which is crucial for bone strength. Lastly, okra may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential aid in diabetes treatment. But remember, research is still ongoing on this front. One of the gifts of nature to us is okra, loaded with an array of health benefits. Specifically, it's a powerhouse for pregnant and lactating women due to its high folic acid content. Every 100 grams of okra provides approximately 60 micrograms of folic acid, a nutrient vital for the health of the mother and baby. Furthermore, the seeds of okra contain substances that may assist in relieving long-term depression and stress. So, start adding okra to your diet. Moreover, it's a versatile vegetable. Okra may enhance eyesight, resist liver diseases, improve asthma condition, prevent skin pigmentation, and even moisturize hair and scalp. The reason for these benefits is the nutrients it harbors: protein, sodium, vitamin C, thiamine, calcium, fiber, fats, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. Indeed, okra is a nutrient-dense wonder.